Conquering your meal. Understanding, plow through a meal. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have heard in English conversations: plow through a meal. This expression is a great example of how English speakers use vivid imagery to describe everyday activities. So, if you're ready to expand your English vocabulary and sound more like a native, stick around as we explore this phrase together. When someone says they plow through a meal, they're using a metaphor that brings to mind the image of a plow moving through soil. In this context, it means to eat quickly and with determination, as if nothing can stand in their way. It's often used to describe situations where someone is very hungry and eats their food more rapidly than usual. The verb, plow, has long been associated with agriculture, where it refers to turning over the earth with a plow to prepare for seeding. The imagery here is powerful and direct, suggesting a strong, relentless force moving forward. When applied to eating, it emphasizes the intensity and focus of the person eating the meal, as if they're tackling a tough job with vigor. Let's look at how this phrase can be used in everyday English. After hiking all day, I was so hungry that I plowed through my dinner in just a few minutes. My brother always plows through his meals like he's in a race against time. These examples show how the phrase can be used to convey speed and efficiency in eating, often due to hunger or a tight schedule. For English language learners, it's important to note that this phrase is informal and best used in casual conversations. It's also a great example of how English speakers often use metaphors from different areas of life to describe simple actions in a more vivid and imaginative way. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and usage of the phrase, plow through a meal. English is full of such colorful expressions, and learning them can make your language skills more dynamic and engaging. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more lessons. See you in the next video.